What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be unboxing these Makartt half cover French pump up tips, and you guys can see the packaging is so simple and cute, and then there's the instructions right on the back of the box, which I love. Everything you need is right there. The kit comes with 240 pieces in 12 sizes, which is quite a lot, I feel. And I barely put a dent into this box, so yeah, they go a long way. And not only that, but you get 4 tubes of Makartt nail glue, which Makartt nail glue is the truth. And then you get this tiny little file, 180 grit file. It's so cute. I love it. It's adorable. And these tips do have a C curve, you guys. They have a nice C curve. They fit very cool too. Like, they're just so snatched. I love them. Next, we're going to be unboxing the one and only Femi Beauty collab with Makartt. I only have the glitter gel polishes right now. I still want the nudes, and recently I think I saw the polygel kit was not even available. Congratulations, Femi. Whoop whoop. All right, so this set comes with 6 colors, you guys, and we're gonna swatch them. All right, you guys, so I don't know why, but I just could not resist the urge to just go ahead and look at each color before I even started swatching. So I just decided to leave that part in because this was my first time looking at the colors and I wanted to see how each of them looked. But we're gonna go ahead and swatch them, and I do want to apologize ahead of time that my camera is a little foggy. After filming a couple of videos, I was like, okay, Samantha, if you let this happen one more time. So now I always make sure to wipe off the lens, but sometimes like you might bump into it or something, and then you just totally forget that you have natural oils. So hello, you need to wipe it off. So yeah, but first up, we have our little baby crystal, and this one's a baby blue iridescent glittery shimmer polish, and it's super cute. And on all these swatches, I just did one coat, and for me, I love this. Like, it's totally a vibe. That was one of my favorite ones. Next, we have Pixie Dust, and this one, I felt like Pixie is so shy. She was not my favorite. I like it, but I wish it was more pink. Like, even though it's jelly, I just wish it was a deeper pink. So, like, more like a hot pink, because Femi loves hot pink, and I know she did FRIKIN, but like, I don't know. I don't like that pink. I'm sorry. But next, we have Twinkle, which is one of my absolute favorites. I just love Twinkle. Actually, Twinkle is my favorite, and then FRIKIN, and then Cute AF, and then Crystal. So those are my 4 favorites. The other 2 I really didn't like that much. All right, and this one is Shining Star, and again, not one of my favorites. I really didn't understand like the point of this color in the collection. I would have traded this for easily a yellow or an orange, easily. And last but not least, oh wait, no, I lied. Who do we have? Who is this? Oh, this is Cute AF. I almost forgot. Cute AF is one of my favorite ones, and it's super cute. The purple is amazing. Last but not least, we have FRIKIN. I love FRIKIN. Everyone loves FRIKIN. FRIKIN is just a classic. So these are all of the beautiful colors, and they literally are all beautiful. I know I was clowning on 2 of them, but They are. I was just like, I was so excited. Look how vibrant the purple, green, blue, and FRIKIN are. But gotta love them. Until next time, you guys. Bye.